Hello guys, it's Antika. Welcome to my channel Pen Divine. Today for the first time in my life, I'm going to try mosaic art. Here I drew some random circle. Let me be honest guys, I forget to record the starting part. Sorry for that, but I'll convey the whole part, so don't worry. At first I drew two straight lines. With the help of that I got the intersection point so that I can have the middle point to draw circle. Every time whenever I drew circle I took zero point 0.5 semi gap and then drew next circle so that it can look neat and clean. Here you can see I am pasting mirror with the help of Fevicol. The best part is that you don't need to follow any theory, any hard and fast rule. Whatever size of the mirror you have, you can decorate it according to your choice. Here I pasted small size mirror in the first circle and step by step the size of the mirror increased. Before going further, I just want to say thank you for giving me support and your love. Thanks again. If you have any query regarding anything, you can message me in the Instagram, can drop your message in comment box or you can mail me. If you guys are watching this video till now, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends, family and relatives.
Now let's listen the music with me.
Now this is the time for making paste. So here I took Walputty 1/4 cup, then 2 spoon glue and 2 spoon water.
Then mix it. And make it a smooth paste.
Tell me one thing, did you try it before? This is my first time. So if you have any suggestion, then please let me know. Here I am using chalk color. I'll put the link in the description. And see what? I choose lavender. There is no wonder why I am choosing this. You can choose whatever you want. Now do nothing, just put the paste on your canvas and spread it throughout. When it becomes dry, just take a wet cloth or tissue and rub it lightly. Yes. And are you excited? This is the final look. I hope you will like it. Thank you.